And now coming to meditation and third eye. And you say there should be perfection of third eye. So
Perfection is endless.
yeah, that's what I wanted to know.
If you are a musician, perfect music is your goal, but it is endless.
Endless, yeah. Never
Okay.
reached, yeah.
If you are meditation is your goal, but it is endless. Perfection is there.
Yeah, yeah,
Endless.
yeah,
Lord Shiva is still doing meditation.
yeah. Still doing meditation.
Yes, yes. So perfection is endless.
Yes, correct. So to it never attains. So it goes on and
It is endless.
endless.
That doesn't mean that you must not go for it. You must go for it. Yes.
And how do you think third eye experiences will help in our day-to-day life or our material life?
See, in meditation, you are happy with yourself.
Yeah.
You have a life of your own private life.
Yes.
Why should you always have a public life?
Not necessary.
Why should always you make me happy? Why can't I make myself happy?
Yes. Correct.
If a wife is not happy with the husband, wife can do meditation to become happy by herself.
Through
You don't
meditation.
require a husband to make you happy.
Correct.
If the husband is making you happy, it's to go fine. But if he is not making you happy, you go into meditation.
Yes.
Don't hate your husband.
Yes.
Don't kill your husband. Don't murder. Are you going to murder your husband?
Never.
Don't do that.
I will never do that.
You can go into meditation.
Yes.
It shows alternative way of life.
Life.
To have pleasure, bliss from yourself.
Okay. So, Patriji, now I have heard the great some speeches of some great masters. Some masters say that we should sacrifice ourselves, we selflessly work. Is it all true, or how do we
You
go?
should be always selfish.
That's a very great answer.
First of all, fill your stomach first and then try to fill others' stomach. Don't go empty stomach. Enjoy yourself. Still there is so much time for you, then you can entertain others, give enjoyment to others. I am a very, very selfish fellow. Only after I am satisfied, I will try to satisfy others. Okay. In my path of truth, there is no suffering for myself. Happiness for myself and then path of truth. I am full 100%, 1000% for enjoyment, personal enjoyment. See, 24 hours are there. 24 hours you want to be with your wife and husband, eh? No, it is too much.
Not necessary.
A few minutes is okay.
That's it.
Then what will you do with the other things? Then you can give enjoyment to others, entertainment to others, think of others. First of all, think yourself. You have got a duty to yourself, to feed yourself, to entertain yourself, to give enjoyment to your body, mind, intellect. Okay. If you are not there, I will read my book. That entertains my intellect. If you are there, I will keep the book aside and talk to you. My time is for myself. Over and above that, my time is for others. My intellect is for myself, my mind is for myself, and over and above that, it is for others. My body is for myself, and over and above that, my body is for others. My lifetime is for myself. Over and above that, after I fulfill, satisfy myself, then only it is for others. Thank you for putting a good question.
Yes, Patriji, because we have been taught that you should be like a candle, should burn yourself, then give light to others. What is all this?
That is sadism.
Yeah, that is not true.
That is masochism. Masochism is when you give suffering to yourself. Sadism is when you give suffering to others. No masochism, no sadism.
Sadism.
Okay. Enjoy yourself and give enjoyment to others.
What is the first one you said, please?
Masochism.
Masochism.
When you give suffering to yourself.
Suffering to yourself, yeah.
When you give suffering to others, you are sadism.
Yeah, sadism, yeah.
No masochism.
Okay, yes, Patriji. So that is also quite wrong in spiritual terms.
Totally wrong. That's why it is said, when you take your life, Atmahatya Mahapapam.
Wow, correct.
See, it is as sinful or more sinful than murdering others.
Yes, correct.
You are taking your own life. Why should it be a sin? It is sin. You have got no right to take your life.
Yeah. any situation.
You can't hang yourself.
In any situation.
Any
Whatever
situation
be
you
the
can know
Atmahatya.
self-immolation. It's not greatness, it is greatest stupidity. Self-immolation. Either sudden or piecemeal. No. When you are keeping on worrying about yourself, you are piecemeal committing self-immolation. Slowly you are giving death to yourself. No. Give life to life.
Life to life.
Yes. Don't give death to life as far as you can help it. So don't commit suicide.
Never.
Huh? Just because your husband is not taking you to a movie.
Never.
Huh? No.
Never I will do that. I know Gandhiji.
You have a big third eye.
Yeah.
You can see all the movies inside.
Yes, I have, and thank you so much for introducing that to me, Pataji. I'm really enjoying myself with my third eye, and I'm trying to perfect it. So I do it.
I want to help everybody, but only few people want to help themselves. They want to come to me. Not all the people are coming to me.
They will come slowly. The whole world has to come to you because you are telling the truth. So they will come. Definitely.
Somebody from Girija Rajan, from somewhere, Mysore, she comes here, but my own people, my own brothers and sisters, they don't come to me.
They are not yet ready.
So
Others, they will get ready and they will come, definitely. We will wait for them patiently. You have been very patient with everyone. We have waited so much. And that is how things are happening now.